guys, what's poppin', what's up? It's your boy Cadis, it's your boy Tobin, guys, and today with a brand new video. I want to show you guys a really simple and very effective Forex scalping strategy. But this particular pair is on the NAS100. Yep, you heard me right, guys, on the NAS100. So um let's get straight into this video. So guys, with this strategy, I would go all the way up to the 2 hour time frame, or maybe probably the 4 hour time frame. It depends on where you see the setup. And as for this video is concerned, I want to use the 4 hour time frame, right? So like I said, supply and demand is how I trade, guys. It's one of, if not the best and most effective trading strategy I've ever come in contact with. All right, so how I trade is, if you guys know the rules of supply and demand in the forex markets, or in the market in general, guys, you should know that you want to look for a strong movement to in one direction, guys. So as you can see, there's a lot of bullish candlestick. Oh yeah, I should explain this even more, but I will make a new video explaining how and what the supply and demand is. It's like when the market is above at this point, you're looking to wait for the market to go up, and make market is up here, and then you're waiting for the market to retrace strongly like this, a strong movement to the downside or to the upside in one direction like this. So this would be a valid area of supply and demand. I mean, I like to use the last candlestick. Some people like to use this whole zone, which sometimes depending on the setup, I might like to use this whole area. And also depending on the setup, I would also like to use just the last bearish candlestick before the strong move to the upside. Just like this place, the last candlestick that is bullish before the move to the downside. All right, so we want to wait for price to come back to retrace, basically retrace back to this point, and then just take a trade for a sell. All right, take a trade for a sell at this point, maybe at the touch of that box. Stop loss slightly above that box. All right, and you want to target a 1 to 2, a 1 to 2.5, a 1 to 3, depending on how your appetite for trading, for the RR. Some people like to take 1.5, some people like to take 2, 2.5, or 3. It depends on what you want, actually. So yeah, so as you can see, it's on the 2 on the 4 time frame. Let's say we took this trade for a buy just right here, and your stop loss just slightly below this point. And then, like I said, a 1 to 2, a 1 to 1, a 1 to 1.5, a 1 to 3. As you can see, it was a beautiful win, guys. So also, you can even use a smaller time frame entry, maybe the 30 minutes. I don't like use to be honest, guys, I don't use the 30 minutes. I use the 15 minutes is probably the best. That is if you're looking for a sniper entry. So you need to have a reason to you need to have a sniper entry at this point. So yep, so the first, let me see, the first touch on this zone, I guess, yeah, it should be right here. So we're looking for, okay, let's say we're looking for an engulfing candlestick. Right, if we are taking this trade at this point, to be honest, guys, if we're taking this trade at this point, this was a staggering loss. Like, we lost this trade depending on where your stop loss is. If your stop loss should be below the engulfing candlestick, then you lost this trade. All right, so let's say you lost this trade, and yes, yada, and you saw this other setup, and then yep, we got in on this trade too. Right, so let's say at this point, and then your stop loss just slightly below the engulfing candlestick, and then you zoom in. Let's see what's up. All right, so let's say you're targeting the previous highs. Let me see. Yep. Oh shit. All right, so let me see what's up. All right.